Hello, we have some updates in the E-Invoices system. Besides filtering or searching with the customer, I can filter paid invoices, unpaid invoices, partially paid invoices. Also, we have one more option here. In the invoices list, I can select multiple invoices for print. By one click, select all invoices. I will find custom print with count selected of the selected invoices. It will show and hide with the count of selected invoices. If I select multiple invoice and click on this button, the system will open all of the selected invoices in one file. I can save it in one PDF or print directly with the printer. This is the first selected invoice, the second, third, and so on. From here, I can reprint the list of the invoices or close the window. Print again. That will view the list of invoices like this. X, that will hide the print view.